welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix is Dwayne. And Dwayne is speaking about the Erica landlord. And he is, he has a lot to say. So you have to go catch the video, hear what he has to say about Erica. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know. All my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today. Happy, happy birthday. And I wish you a year that is filled with prosperity and laughter all around. And for all my other lovelies out there, my supporters, my followers, my friends, whatever you may call me, have yourselves a beautiful, beautiful day today. And remember to always put one foot in front of the other, always giving God thanks for life and ensuring that you watch your surrounding, walk um, in a positive way, basically. So happy yourselves. A beautiful day now. Bye.
I'm going to show you how lie Angela Merchant is. And listen very well, and pick sense out of nonsense. And know, a lot of you are going to know the truth to the things that Erica claim. Remember me tell you, and I'm going to know the truth to the things Erica is claiming and the things what she are going to say. Erica, I hope you defend this one. Defend this one too. Defend this one too. Another thing you said on your live stream, you said something, camera. Frig that. Clearly wasn't important. That's what I can't remember. Erica, you are a very tacky human being. Very tacky. Very, very tacky. You have no, very classless. You, Angela, is a classless hyena. And you must be cut down to size. You feel get cut down to size. That must say. And it's gonna happen. You wait. You flipping wait. I'm gonna show you. Don't play with me. I'm not a fool. Don't play with me. I might be disabled. I might be many things, but I'm not a flipping fool. You're the biggest fool I know. The biggest fool I know. The love of money is the root to all flipping even. You will do anything and everything for money. Even tell lies on people. Praise God, it kicked off very well too. Yes, they should have left me alone. And don't try and invite me to things I didn't want to be in. Oh, and another thing I want to say as well, right? You know what's that one name? I have some screenshots. You know, you black screen, you have no life. Don't you see? I don't play you. I don't play you. Apart from that one video I played of you yesterday. And I stopped because it was so nasty. I stopped. I should tell you, I don't count you. I don't value you. But clearly you value me. I should tell you. You have to kiss ass for relevancy. I don't. Remember this, okay? You remember this. I don't, and I will never kiss any of your asses for no flipping relevancy. But you have to. You have to rely on the planks. Those unscrupulous minions, you have to rely on them. Remember that. You're on benefits. You are on benefits. You can't tell me nothing. Me not say I triggered you with the things I said about you. Prove me wrong. That's not for you. Let's go. People, listen very well on I've sent. And some of you on this live stream and also on now comment, just listen. Open your damn ears and know the flipping truth. If you've been a part of this journey since 2019, right? 2019 to 2020, you will know how to differentiate between a lie and truth. And Erica is a flipping liar. And that me say. Let's get into it. Erica, I'm going to play you again. I'm going to play you again. Yes, let's get into it. Listen well. Listen.
I can't go out on a fuck. Make we hear what going over that side.
Let's have it.
Everybody are playing the same live.
Oh, she's talking about the live that was played yesterday. Let's be real.
Everybody are playing the same live.
Let's pause. Let's stop here and address this part. Lady, I found out about the live stream. Someone sent it to me in my DMs. I didn't know. I was never going to play that. I was going to play your flipping voice notes. I was going to play your voice notes of you dragging and cussing out Dana with you, Mama Joyce, Pretty Shells, Mel, Audrey, and at the time Blondine. That was all I was going to play to shut you up, right? Then I got wind of that video. I said, okay, I like this. I'm throwing it in there too. Hello, do I care? I don't care. Whether I play it or play it not, I don't give a shit. You are what you are, a wicked, unscrupulous troll, a local dog. That's what you are. And I'm saying I'm going to take it back. Let's continue. On a day I'm lucky. Who want here? I'm telling you, don't come here and think you are obligated to me. You are not obligated to me in no way, shape, or form. Don't feel like you are being held here like a freaking hostage. You're not. If you have something more important to do, go. Don't stay. Please. Do me that favor. Go on. If I have to go, don't stay. But I'm going to shut Putin. I'm going to shut her up.
I hate him, man, guys.
Who likes your
Everybody
voice?
play the same live. Whatever play, they not play. If you play them, why not? Play them.
Her memories. Her voice notes. Let's hear. Well, my question says. Come. We come back too far to backside. Let's hear.
Everybody are playing the same live.
Okay. Is it not your voice? It's your voice, right? It's you, right? It's you, right?
Everybody are playing the same live.
Oh. Understood.
I hate him, man, guys.
Who likes your voice?
Everybody play the same live. Whatever play, they not play. If you play them, why not? Play them. Any plan Bex Mouty happen already, me not delete it, me not deny. Me not delete it, me not deny. Cause nobody never delete and deny for them. Nobody not play for them. Don't play for me so them can go ahead and play. Me tell admin to post you up. You see why me tell you admin? Admin me tell us if you put it on YouTube, you know.
Pause. She said, admin, I told you to put it on YouTube. Hello, people. Porty is mad. Her stuff is going out here. Let's be real. 3/4 of Porty supporters on YouTube are planks. At no point would Porty want those planks to hear those nasty, filthy things she said about Donegal. She would not. Porty, you said you told your admin to post these things on YouTube. Okay. You love money, right? You love money. Hello, you love money, right? You love money. Why not take those same videos? Bear in mind, you take other people's content and go rebroadcast. The other day when I was playing some of your mediocre voice notes, you played those too, right? You played those in the live stream. Why didn't you not take the ones I did yesterday? Why are you not taking other things people are putting out about you now? You've spoken ill about Donegal. Why are you not rebroadcasting these on your page? Knowing damn well say you love to broadcast other people's things. This is your voice now. Play that. Play it now. Hello, I'm giving you full authority. Take the video I did of you yesterday and go and play it on your page. Let those unscrupulous planks hear you. Let them hear you. I want them to hear you. How you diss them. Call them dog shit. More of them area. Take it and go and play it. And everything else that's been put out about you, take those two and go and rebroadcast. You love money. Make money off your own voice. Take it and play. Let them hear it. Right? Do that. Why are you not doing that? Why are you not doing that? And you love to play people's stuff. You love it. So play those too. Play those too. Prove me wrong. Prove me that you are a bad girl. Take those videos and go and play them on your page. Not just what I say about you, but what other people put out about you. Play those on your page. Show us that you are a force to be reckoned with. Play them backside. If your name is Angela Merchant, play them caca. Yes, do that.
Tell them watch you so. And you say no. But you should have posted over here.
All of a sudden, admin is to be blamed.
It's too late now. It depends too much platform. But if you did post it when me tell us if you post up the cussing of Donna, you say no. You should post it about man, you share
When you hear the cussing of Donna. But Porty, let's be quite frank. YouTube and Facebook are two different platforms, right? You have a lot of people on YouTube who's not Facebook people. I'm sure them want you to take the videos and go and play them. Play them. I implore you, play those videos. They'll put you in a better position. Play them.
Me still I got turn up what I do. Cause Donna not give me no job.
Listen now. Listen to this. Listen to this.
Donna not give me no job, you know.
Listen to
Nobody
this.
not give me no job. Me just say free grey go on and no say I free grey.
So she's so frigid Guan and realize, you know, I wanted to talk her. But Porty, all the time when he was out there cursing Donegal, right? Wasn't that frigid too? The time when he was behind the scenes in your group, a class to the lowest form, her mother to the lowest form. Wasn't that frigid too? How is it all of a sudden you just realize, say, frigid was out there happening? Don't you see? You are a flipping opportunist. You are a flipping opportunist. But wait, the best part is yet to come. I want to hear how damn like this damn. I want to hear, especially you planks who supports her. I want to hear how freaking like she is. Wait, flipping wait. Soon come. Hold on.
True. Every married out of my shop, so I don't bother listen.
My mom's marriage is perfectly fine.
So everybody that play the same live.
Very happily married.
If you just post up a live, you should have posted admin. You can't play a game good enough. Can't not know if you hide. So you should have just put it up on the page and make them watch it. Because everybody would have come watch it. And then he wouldn't splice and tear.
Did you hear her? Now she's blaming Splice and Tear. People, let us be real. How is it possible for someone to splice and tear someone's voice or them take the content off of one of their live stream and post? How is that possible? Porty, I see you're fighting very hard. You're pulling for straws. You're pulling for straws at this point. You are trying so hard to pull yourself out of this mess you've now found yourself in. But I can assure you, I'm gonna stay up your back like freaking Matlock. You will not escape my wrath. You, Erica, you, every time I see you do something, I come on for you. I'm on every flipping time. The same way you text upon Marcia and Tina Chin and others, me, I got text it upon you. Mark my flipping word. When I ask, hello, I fear no man or woman. And Angela Merchant, I solemnly swear, I, Dwayne Fletcher, is now your arch nemesis. Man, I take set pan. You wait. You flipping wait.
Now would I get the perfectly live.
Okay, we hear you. We hear you.
They're talking for idea. Mr. One woman write up in our comments and if you can't apologize. Me not apologize for bumbo class. Nobody crying.
So after everything she's done and said about Donegal, you should say, should not apologize at BBC. Hold on. You are Team Donna. At this point, I mean, look, people, let's call a spade a spade. If me, Dwayne, who have done Donna far less than them, I've done Donegal far less than they have. And I felt in my heart come out and I said, hello, Donna, I'm sorry. Why is it so hard for them to say, I am sorry too? Why? Why? It's only a 3-letter word. I am sorry. Phrase. I am sorry. Right? What's so hard in saying I'm sorry? For everything you've said so nasty, so distasteful about this woman, you claim you are her defender. You should be able to say, hello, Donna. Girl, you know, say them time with a, you know, whatever. Oh, a woman in my group, I'm a class, yo. Me never did not still come out, but still, after all, you know, so we're good now. I'm sorry. Nothing wrong with that. But you, poor team, I feel like still, you still feel like in your heart, you have done no wrong to no one. Not realizing you are a flipping tormentor. You're a flipping lady. I pity you. Let's continue. Let's flipping continue. Wait, the best is yet to come. The best is yet to come. Wait, another year. Concocting.
Do I frighten for a hotel? No. No, been there and done that.
She's concocting now. How to dig herself out of the wall.
Been there and done that. Been there and done that. Do not frighten for a hotel.
Congratulations.
You know, me I come out of them picture because no, Reggie. Been there and done that. We don't have no time for all this shit. And shitty people. Come with DJ and all these things. We've been there and done that, sweetheart. Me delete the life. So I'm fake page, huh? Everything about me height. Lorian Billets. With me same thing. 13 followers. What is?
Wait to soon come. And listen, this one, it's gonna be it starts out slow and then she'll go in it. If you cannot wait, go back to your damn business. Tell me now, what are you freaking hostage? You're not being held hostage. Go back to business. Coming out, I'm flipping playing it. Me, I play it.
2021 asking, but I know me. This is a fake page. So me a ball say people please give me paint. Your Majesty and cousin, I am million time apologize. I won't be doing any live bashing you guys. But this, you see? And then delete the whole heap. They delete whole heap. I know me I find fake page, me need to use them and put on YouTube. We have a whole heap of my life them some where they have a fake page over here. But.
And I say. So all that I live them now, I live them now again. It's not spliced.
I mean I look for a fake page today, I mean I find.